I'm Danielle with WTI. As someone who's been doing nails for over a decade, I can tell you not all gel polishes are made the same. But Model Ones undoubtedly has one of my favorite formulas, and this 40-piece set from them is no exception. I enjoy the consistency of these. It's not too thick and not too runny, which really helps with the application. I love that it self-levels in a matter of seconds, so any streaks disappeared, ensuring your nails will look nice and smooth when you cure it. And let me tell you, the brush plays a very important role, and this one was nice and rounded. This really helps you to get close to your cuticle and side walls without making a mess. I found the coverage to be really good, so in most cases, one coat was enough. Max I'll use is probably two. If you're having trouble with the darker colors, I definitely recommend doing thin coats and curing for a minimum 60 seconds. I've also found it helpful to do the thumbs separately. I follow these tips using a 54-watt lamp and I had no issues with curing. I love the variety of colors and the fact that it's a complete set with everything you need from beginning to end. If you're looking for an affordable set but one that is high quality, this is a great option, but that's just my point of view.